Let me show you how to do this look. Today we're doing a makeup look inspired by Glamzilla. This is a look that she wore, so I literally went out and bought like little metallic things so we could try and redo it. I think we're going to use this one at the top here. I just think it looks super cute. Do quick skincare, starting off with a caffeine solution. This will help make sure everything's nice and depuffed and just like really looking nice and firm. I always like to let my skincare absorb before I go to the next step. I moisturize my skin, and I am in the market for a new moisturizer, so if you know of a good one, please put it in the comments. Now we prime our face with the best primer on the market. I reach for this over everything. While we wait for that to absorb, I'm going to basically glue my brows with the NYX brow glue. This is like definitely my favorite brow gel. I use this like almost daily. I'm going to go in with a little bit of color corrector because I am having like some issues with red spots. This is my first time using it, so I'm a little nervous, but what can you do? So I just need a little bit like right here, a little here. Very excited to see how this works. Yeah, very excited. Blending it out like really lightly so it's not so harsh, and then I'm gonna put foundation over it. This is my favorite foundation ever, quite literally. It's amazing. We'll put that on and it gives great coverage. I just literally use a brush to spread it around. It's gonna help give you like really good coverage when you just use a brush and you just blend until the lines are gone. Now we do our first round of concealer. And we're basically just going to go here. We're going to use this for the eyes. And we're going to let it set like here a little bit, just lightly. I will say this. I am very impressed with the e.l.f. because like you don't see it under my skin and the skin tone looks very nice and even. So very impressed. Very impressed. Just use a fluffy brush for my eyelid. That way I just have more control. Especially because I don't want to mess up my eyebrows. Out the tape because the look is going to be fierce. You're not going with the exact color scheme. It's just kind of like the decal. That's the inspo. I go in with a really nice light pink, and this is going to basically be our transition color for the entire eye. So you put it everywhere. So that way it helps blend everything out. With a finer blending brush, we're going to go with this absolutely gorgeous blue right here. And we're going to put this on the outer edge just to really help kind of highlight it out, build up some dimension. I think it's super cute. We're also going to put this on the inner right here. I just think it'll look really good. I'm going to build this up a little bit more. Now we're going to take this beautiful color right here. It's got a little bit of a shimmer to it. And we're basically going to put that like right in the crease and in the corner just to kind of give it a little extra dimension without kind of bringing it anywhere else. And I can kind of come in a little bit. Just like that. I'm going to build it up a little. I'm really feeling like this lime yellow. So we're going to try and put that in somewhere to make it look really cool. Thinking maybe right under the blue. We'll kind of pull it out. I'm going to use this beautiful purple. And I'm kind of going to go like this. That way it can kind of come out and help shape the eye. When we go back over that line with that blue, it'll help kind of blend it all together. We're going to take Danessa Myricks in the shade Bunny. This went viral. Danessa Myricks makeup is like absolutely outstanding. This is my first time using it, so I'm very excited. Basically what I'm going to do is just basically carve out some areas that I want there to be more pigment. Just use the littlest bit amount of pigment and like the difference is intense. Just gonna kind of hold my eyelid like this and let it dry. But while I do that, I think I'm also going to try and do like a little highlight right here. That way the makeup looks like super cool. I just gotta do it to this eye now. I'm gonna do some liner, so wish me luck. Start with my bad side first. Now we gotta do this side. Let's take off the tape and see what we're working with. Okay, we can work with that. We can work with that. What I like to do is I take one of these and I use some makeup remover. I'm gonna put it right on the tip here. Oh, way too much. What we do is this. It's gonna help make the eyeliner sharper and just look like really put together. They're already sticky, but I did eyelash glue just to make sure they stick well. I'm nervous, but let's just do it, okay? For the other side. Okay, I love it. I think it's super cute, super funkalicious. And yeah, It's definitely like not the perfect placement, but it's definitely something. So I'm gonna do some finishing touches and show you the final look. And this is the finished look. What do we think? I love it. I need you guys to go check out all the transitions, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!